here's the kicker. They were around more than 1,000 years before Volta invented his battery. You see the problem here? It just doesn't fit the timeline we all know.
And this is where we get to the prime suspect in our investigation, the big theory. The idea that this simple little jar was actually a working electric battery. I know, it's a wild idea, but stick with me because it's surprisingly hard to just write it off.
So, how does a basic battery even work? Well, a simple one, what's called a galvanic cell, just needs 3 things. You need 2 different kinds of metal. Those are your electrodes. And then you need some kind of conductive liquid, an electrolyte, to get a chemical reaction going. Now, think about our artifact. It already has 2 of those 3 things, right? The iron and the copper. The only thing it's missing is the liquid. And that is the exact conclusion that Wilhelm Koning came to way back in 1940. He figured, hey, what if you filled this jar with something acidic, like vinegar or maybe some grape juice? He proposed it would become a galvanic cell. And his #1 theory for what they'd use it for? Electroplating. You know, a super sophisticated technique for coating one metal with another, like putting a thin layer of gold on silver. Okay, and this is where the theory gets some serious legs. Modern-day researchers have actually built replicas of this thing. And guess what? They work. An engineer at GE used grape juice and got up to 2 volts. That's actually more than a modern AA battery. The TV show Mythbusters tried it with lemon juice and got a steady 0.5 volt. So this isn't just some crazy idea anymore. It's been proven to be experimentally possible.